Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading. I am Dixon, and let me give you a quick real-time update after my tireless research to give you the finest. Before we dive in, do me a huge favor. Smash that subscribe button, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on critical updates like this one. Let's get straight into it. Big news is shaking up the crypto world. At the recent Blockchain Life 2025 conference in Dubai, Telegram founder Pavel Durov dropped a bombshell. He announced the launch of a brand new project called Cocoon. Now, this isn't just another small update. This is a massive move for both Telegram and the TON blockchain. So what exactly is Cocoon? Durov described it as a confidential compute open network. In simple terms, it's a network that will allow anyone with a powerful GPU to contribute their computer's processing power. In return, developers can use this shared power to run privacy-focused AI and other complex computing tasks. Think of it like a decentralized, privacy-first cloud computing network. The most exciting part is its deep integration. Cocoon will be built directly on the TON blockchain and woven tightly into the Telegram ecosystem. With Telegram now boasting over 1 billion monthly active users, this provides an enormous, ready-made audience. Telegram itself will be heavily involved in developing and promoting Cocoon, acting as both a promoter and a key integrator. Mark your calendars because the public launch is scheduled for November 2025. But that's not all the good news Durov shared. He also revealed an astonishing figure. Third-party developers who build mini-apps on Telegram have collectively earned over $1 billion in just the past year. That's right, $1 billion. This proves that the Telegram ecosystem is not just a concept, it's a thriving economy where developers are already making serious money. If you're enjoying this update and finding it valuable, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's break down why this is such a game changer. The launch of Cocoon is a clear strategic push by Telegram and TON into the world of AI and confidential computing. This isn't just about messaging anymore, it's about building the fundamental infrastructure of the future web. By combining a messaging app's scale with blockchain's power, they're creating something unique that could challenge traditional cloud giants. By aligning Cocoon with the existing mini-apps, bots, and wallet features, they are making it incredibly easy for developers and users already on Telegram to get involved. The billion-dollar revenue from mini-apps is a huge carrot. It shows other developers that there's real monetization potential here, which will likely attract even more talent and innovation to the platform. With Telegram's massive user base and TON's integration, Cocoon could become a dominant infrastructure layer in Web3. We're talking about a future where your messaging app is the front end for everything from private AI assistants to decentralized applications. The November 2025 launch is also timed perfectly to catch the wave of the next crypto and AI infrastructure cycle. For those who might be new to this, let's quickly recap. The TON blockchain, which stands for the Open Network, was originally created by the Telegram team. Today, it's a high-speed Layer 1 blockchain that's already integrated with Telegram's wallet and its native token, TONCoin. Mini-apps are basically small applications like games, payment tools, and bots that run directly inside the Telegram app using its social features. So what should we be watching as this develops? First, the launch specifics of Cocoon. We need to see the details of its tokenomics, its governance model, and exactly how it will deliver on its privacy promises. Second, developer engagement. Will developers flock to build on Cocoon? How will they connect their mini-apps to this new network? Third, we'll keep a close eye on the TON network's metrics. We'll be tracking growth in wallets, transactions, and how Cocoon's activity impacts the entire TON network. Of course, there are also risks to consider. Integrating a complex compute network with a messaging app is a huge technical challenge, and there could be delays. While the billion-dollar mini-app revenue is promising, convincing developers to adopt a brand new compute network will still require strong incentives and support. The token economics must be crystal clear to balance the needs of Cocoon with the existing TON ecosystem. And finally, any project dealing with confidential data and blockchain will likely face regulatory scrutiny. But let's be clear, the bottom line is this. The announcement of Cocoon is a massive milestone. Pavel Durov is strategically blending messaging, blockchain, and confidential AI into one cohesive vision, With a billion users and a proven, profitable developer ecosystem already in place, this project has the potential to completely redefine how social apps, AI, and computing come together. The execution will be key, but the vision is undeniably powerful. What do you think about Cocoon? Is this the future of AI and Web3, or is it too ambitious? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dixon, and it's been a pleasure bringing you this real-time update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to support the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.